Your fleet is changing, and so are your needs for continuous vehicle and driver information. So we've built electric vehicle features right into the Ford Pro E-Telematics platform, which already delivers insights like vehicle health, driver behavior, and much more. That makes it easy to address the needs of businesses like yours, so you can remain stress-free and focused on your work. As your fleet adopts electric vehicles, fleet managers are thinking about a charging strategy. Accessed from the Dashboard tab, Charge Insights provides a high-level snapshot of how your fleet is executing that strategy. You'll find your fleet's electric vehicle data categorized by charging location type, reimbursable, depot, public, or other, making it easy to get a quick read on key aspects of charging. The graphs display aggregated data of all charging events. First, choose a time frame you'd like to review. At the top, you'll see Sustainability Metrics. These calculate the energy gained by your fleet's electric vehicles over a specific time and tell you an estimate of how many gallons of gasoline you saved and how many kilograms of carbon dioxide your fleet saved by making the switch to charging rather than going to the gas station. You also need to monitor charging costs, just as you do fuel costs on traditional gas and diesel vehicles. Ford helps you manage costs by providing complimentary access to the BlueOval Charge Network for 3 years, and by providing at-a-glance cost visualizations on Charge Insights. The first graph shows cost versus energy. You can quickly identify the higher costs in red and find ways to reduce them. These will often be a DC public charging event, especially when the event cost is time-based and the driver charges a vehicle past 80%. The next graph shows charging expenses, a high-level view of all costs for a specific period. This snapshot gives you a quick and easy way to spot outliers, such as drivers who are not following the unique charging policy you've implemented in your fleet. Then there's charging duration. Like charging expenses, it helps you spot trends and avoid hours digesting individual vehicle data. Average power per session helps you zero in on how quickly fleet vehicles are charging, and highlights gaps at the low end, most often with reimbursable charging. Average power also shows DC. Public charging at DC outlets during peak energy cost hours is great to use in a pinch, but it can cost more than a reimbursable charging strategy. DC charging also impacts driver and vehicle uptime, as well as the vehicle's battery health if it's used too frequently at high power ratings. And there are 2 more graphs to help optimize your charging strategy. Vehicle Charging Trends visualizes charging by time of day, helping identify when charging might have impacted the regular flow of your company's operations. For example, if you have a reimbursable charging strategy, you wouldn't expect to see many charging events in the middle of the day. State of Charge at Unplug shows you what's happening when drivers are unplugging at the beginning of the workday. If they start the day with a low charge, for example 20%, you can follow up on why that happened and take corrective action. In addition to all the aggregated data insights on Charge Insights, you can also export the data to a spreadsheet program. You can drill down into the data to find out more about what's behind the trends, so you can continue to learn and understand what works best for your fleet. Your fleet is changing. Ford Pro E-Telematics is designed to help you manage it effectively and easily, giving you more time and energy to get back to business. Find out more about how to use each of the features of Ford Pro E-Telematics in these videos.